Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, Welcome, viewers. This is our now the sixth session regarding the Excel aptitude. So let's proceed to the next question. That on the sixth question. This was the first question. We already had 10 period. This is also done in previous videos. These all are done. Okay, so this way we go to solve the questions. Okay, so this is our today's question. Let's solve this equation and find out the value of x using the Excel functionalities. What is the value of x? So that this equation ties up with 49. I mean, say it becomes the value of all this expression uh, results in 49. So for this, you need to know what is x, right? So x has to be such a value that the expression of this will result in 49. So what is the value of x, right? Okay, so we take you to the working sheet in which we clear all these results, okay? And this is the x value, which we will find out using Boltzmann, yes? And we have splitted the information from the equation. The equation is this part and then this part. So two parts from the left side of the equal sign. Okay, so we work out these two parts. Okay, okay. The first part is under root of 2 plus 1. Under root. So we put 2 here, so it becomes under root 2, right? If we make it 3, it will become all 3, okay? Okay, so it is under root of 2, right? As you can see, under root of 2, the equation is talking about the square root of 2, right? Okay, a square root of 2 plus 1, right? So what we are supposed to do is let's calculate it. Okay, so what we do here is uh, plus 1. Yeah, this is plus 1. Okay, so let's open this. We have done it for you. So what we are doing is that C12, C10, where is C10, right? This is the square root of this, right? Because we use this a square root function, right? So C10, that is the square root of 2, right? Plus 1. So that gets you, if it is 0, then it will be 2.41, right? Okay, 2.01. Well, this is not dependent on x. X, first of all, we have to uh, add 1 to the square root of 1. So 1 is added into 1, so that makes it 2.441, right? Okay, that's fine. So this is one part of the job. The second part of the job is now raised to power x, right? Raised to power x, right? So for this, what we are going to do, we are going to write this formula. So we will write the formula in here, okay? So let's uh, do this, the part of the second part of the which will be added together, okay? So that is under root 2, the square root of 2 minus 1. So square root of 2, yes, that was 1.7 and minus 1, so that will be 0.41. That's right, okay? Now raised to power x. X value is unknown, right? So this expression raised to power x, right? Okay. this expression raised to power x. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, okay. And this is the expression raised to power x, right? Okay. And the total of all these should become 49, right? So this we will set to 49, and this is going to be raised to power. What is x? X is unknown, right? Okay. So we have done all the preparatory work. So left side of the equation is these two things. These are to be added, and this is the right side of the equation, that is 49. So in case it is 0, then it will be only 2. So what changes are to be made in here so that this becomes 49, right? So let's go and see how we use the goal seek, right? What if analysis, goal seek. In the goal seek, we set the cell that is this one, okay, I7, which is the total of these left side of the equation, right? So we have to set it to 49 as our question is telling us. The equation is that it has to be set to 49, okay? By changing what? The value of x, right? So this is value of x. So it will keep on changing it and checking it, and it will stop only when this value at I7 gets 49. So let's click OK. So it is now attempting, and it has come up with the solution. It has found it. The result, the x value is 4.42. Okay, so that is if it is 4.42, then expression of this will become 48.97, and solution of this expression will be 0.02041. This value, when these two values are added, then you will get 49, and this is what your equation is saying. So 4.42 is the right answer for the computation of x. Or if the value of x is 4.42, then this expression, the left side of the equation, will get to 49. So this is the right answer. Thank you very much for watching.